And I saw one of your interviews as well, where you talked about money and kids, teaching kids about money. My next question to you is, why isn't money taught in school?
Well, because that's what the question I asked also. And in all my research, see, money is kind of my subject. I studied it, so I know a lot of the history of it and all this. But I found out in 1903, these guys called J.P. Morgan and John D. Rockefeller, they took over. They formed an organization called the General Education Board. This is 1903, and the General Education Board then determined what you teach in school. And it was at that time they removed financial education from the school system. And the reason for that is guys like J.P. Morgan and all these guys, they don't want competition. They're looking for employees. So what the academic system is, you start at elementary school, you move up, and by the time you get to, let's say, college or graduate school, they're looking for the best employees possible. They don't want people to understand money. See, they couldn't hire me because I don't need the money. But as long as you need the money and job security and paycheck and the pensions, they got you. So I rarely say this, but if you don't need money, you're free. And that's the difference. That's the power of financial education. And that's the power of the human mind, the human spirit. But our school systems keep us needing money by putting fake teachers who need money. And then we get weaker and weaker.